Today's discussion, we're going to discuss about Experiment 1 basic technique in microscope. On your screen now is showing the learning outcome of Experiment 1. We have 5 learning outcomes in this experiment, which is to obtain the accurate image, to determine the depth of field, to determine the field of view, to calculate the actual magnification, and to apply the use of oil immersion. For the apparatus and the material that we need to use in Experiment 1 include 1 compound microscope, 4 different set of prepared slide, which is the letter E prepared slide, cross-thread prepared slide, the transparent ruler, and the bacterial prepared slide. Another 3 material requires for this experiment is the immersion oil, lens paper, and alcohol. These 3 material is required for the oil immersion technique. Before we discuss in detail about the experiment 1, you are encouraged to go through both of the video in the introductions of microscope. The link for both of this video is listed down in the video description. There is 3 activities in experiment 1, which is activity 1.1, determine the image, the depth of field and the field of view. Activity 1.2, determine the magnification. Activity 1.3, using of oil immersion. For the activity 1.1.1, obtain accurate image. Place the E letter prepared slide under the scanning objective lens at upright position. Then, draw the position of the letter E that you view under the scanning objective lens on your observation sheet. Activity 1.1.2, the depth of field. Observe the cross-thread slide on 3 different levels. Level 1 by naked eye, Level 2 under the scanning objective lens, and Level 3 under the low-power objective lens. Observe the color of the cross-thread and identify the location of each color thread. Which of the thread is at the top, which one is at the middle, and which one is at the bottom. Record your observations in the tables that provide. Activity 1.1.3, the field of view. Place a transparent ruler under the scanning objective lens, low power objective lens, and under the high power objective lens. Based on the view in the microscope, determine the field of view for each magnification power. So based on the observation, determine the diameter of the field of view. Activity 1.2, magnification. Using the formula above, calculate the actual magnification by multiplying the magnification power of objective lens to the magnification power of ocular lens. Complete the table 1.1. Activity 1.3, oil immersion technique. Observe the prepared slide of bacteria under the microscope from the scanning objective lens to oil immersion objective lens. Follow the procedures according to the video introductions that show at the beginning of this video. Identify and avoid the artifact that presents on the slide and draw the observations of the bacterial slides. The artifact like the dust and the air bubble should not draw inside your observation. On your screen now is the examples of the prepared slide that draw after the observation is made. So at your left hand side is the image under the microscope, and at your right hand side is the image drawn according to the view under the microscope. After you have completed all your observations, write the lab report according to the format that given by your practical instructor. Do not forget to submit your lab report before the due date of experiment 1. That's all for today's discussions. I hope that you enjoy for the experiment 1. See you again in next video.